Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today's topic is about how to create the clickable links. Means how to link something in your Excel sheet, and we can do it using the hyperlink function, through which we can link a web page, a file or folder, or another place in the same workbook. So we will see each of them in this video. So let's start with linking to a website. So let's assume we are having a URL of google.com over here, and we want to give some searchable words through which the user can jump to the Google directly. So how to do that? Let's jump to the hyperlink function and giving this cell reference, and the friendly name we want to give over here is go, and closing the parenthesis we get a go command. Let's click on this and we are coming to Google search. The next thing is how to link a file, how to give a clickable link of a report on your PC. So let's assume I'm coming on the desktop and this is a file called email draft which I want to give the link. So clicking on that, you get a copy as path thing and you have copied it. Next, coming to over here, opening the parenthesis and writing open. Closing the parenthesis will give you the friendly name open, and as you will click on this, it will take a few seconds and your cold email draft thing is completely available. So you can give the link for opening a file or a folder on your PC. Next, coming to click to a link in the same workbook. So let's assume we want to give a clickable link. Let's see, we want to give a top thing or back thing or the end thing or the beginning thing, as we have seen in a lot of websites. So like that only you can do in this Excel workbook as well. So let's assume I want to go to sheet B, which is completely blank, and I want to go on A1. So doing hyperlink and coming to B, I selected the A1 cell on which I want to come. Next, pressing comma, giving the friendly name home, and before that you have to keep the location in the double quotes. Okay, so and put a hash before the sheet name. Pressing enter will give you a clickable link which is coming on this sheet B and A1. So in this way you can jump to any sheet within your workbook. Next thing is we want to give the references, like in A1 you are seeing the Wikipedia URL, and in B it is written visit Wikipedia. So how to create a dynamic link using cell values. So let's assume these things are available on some other pages and you are creating a separate page in the same workbook and you want to give the link, but you have to give the reference of these cells. So you can do the hyperlink, link location, or you can just select the friendly name is B1. Pressing enter will give you the friendly name visit Wikipedia, and when you press the visit Wikipedia it will open that URL page. So this is very helpful when these two data are not present on that same page. You can give the reference of these cells and create a clickable link on some other page or some other sheet of that workbook. So in this way you can create the links of a website, of a file and folder, of the cell in the same workbook, and of dynamic link using cell values. Means just by giving references, the friendly name is written, the URL is written, you just have to give the references. So hope you find this video helpful. If so, do subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.